We are happy to have Dawn Page with the Richmond Public School Board here with us in the studio. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, Amy.
And we want to talk about the building of two elementary schools, Broad Rock and Oak Grove, set to be built September of 2012. It's been pushed back a little bit. Talk about this delay and how parents can learn more information.
Yes, we are inviting the parents and the community to come out to the meetings on Thursday at Broad Rock at 6:30. And we will have the Build a Better Richmond School Project team to discuss the impact of the timeline changes, also as it relates to construction and design specification, and what all of this means to our community. And we want everyone to come out so they can hear the facts so that we all can be informed about the changes.
Wow. And I guess the overall picture is that the schools will still be built.
Yes.
For those that are, curious or concerned. What's the overall message that you want to let parents know?
Overall message is to keep our parents informed. We will have new schools that will be designed for 21st century learning in a 21st century building.
Okay, and that'll be in January of 2013. If you want more information, just head to the Education Alert page of WRIC.com. Amy McLean, 8 News.